Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something super cool, barbecue grill design. If you want to make your grilling experience even better, you are in the right place. Before we get into the fancy stuff, let's talk about why grill design is important. A good grill can make your food tasty, amazing, and cook perfectly. So let's start our video. Now let's compare old style and modern grill design. Old style grills are pretty basic with charcoal or gas, but modern ones have some awesome features. Now you can see some of coolest barbecue grill design out there. These grills are just good looking, they are also great at cooking. First, we have grills with something called infrared technology. These grills cook food really evenly and make it extra juicy. Next are pellet grills. They use special wooden pellets for fuel and gives your food a fantastic smoky flavors. Plus, they are easy to control with digital setting. Kamado grills are inspired by ancient Japanese cooking pots. They keep heat really well and are the great for slow cooking, roasting and high heat grilling. If you are always on the move, check out portable and foldable grills. They are small, easy to carry and perfect for picnics and trips. For something unique, you can get a custom grills. That means you can work with a maker to create a grill that is just right for you. Before you rush to buy a new grill, remember these tips to pick the right one for your needs and budgets. We have divided into the world of barbecue grill design. Whether you are a weekend griller or a barbecue pro, the right grill can make your cooking even better. It's not just about looks, it's about how well it's cooked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe more grilling tips and reviews. Share your thoughts in comments below.